I just copied a $10,000 app in 24 hours without writing a single line of code. And the best way to get paid users to your app is through AI UGC videos that nobody realizes are fake. So look at this video right here. It has millions of views and is driving thousands of paid users to an app. And the crazy part is the lady you see is AI generated. And if you're wondering, I'm pretty real. But I'm about to show you exactly how to create videos just like this that go viral and convert viewers into paying customers. In this video, I'm going to show you how I reverse engineered a successful coin scanning app and how I rebuilt it using just one AI coding tool. But here's the real secret. The app itself is only half the battle. The money comes from these AI UGC ads that look so realistic, viewers have no idea they're watching artificial intelligence or an advertisement. I'll walk you through my complete system. First, how I used one AI tool to build the entire mobile app without touching a single line of code. Then, the exact AI UGC strategy I'm using to create viral videos with realistic AI actors. No filming, no hiring creators, just simple text prompts that generate professional-looking ads in minutes. You'll see me recreate the exact viral videos that are driving thousands of paid users, connect everything to Stripe for instant payments, and I'm going to show you the dead simple editing workflow that makes this entire process pretty effortless. So by the end, you'll have a complete blueprint to copy any successful app and create the AI marketing machine that actually makes money. Now, if you thought you needed coding skills or a huge marketing budget to build a profitable app business, well, this video is about to completely change your perspective. So let's go ahead and dive in. All the tools I'm using in this video are added in the description below, so make sure to go ahead and scroll down and check them out. And when you're trying to build something sleek and actually useful, like a coin identification app, it's easy to get overwhelmed by all the tech jargon. But with the right tools, we can keep things simple and focus on what matters: getting the app to do what we want it to do. So let's start by building the foundation of our coin identification app. Now we want something that looks modern and actually works well on mobile devices. So we're going to tell the system exactly what we're looking for. We're going to describe a modern and responsive coin identification app that starts with a clean and intuitive page. Our users should be able to easily identify coins by uploading a photo or taking one with their camera. The main section should prominently feature a large identify coin button or camera capture area with space to preview the image and display identification results below. Now we want a modern, mobile-friendly layout with soft shadows, rounded corners, and smooth transitions, so it all feels polished and professional. And after entering that description, we're going to go ahead and click Start Building. Now the initial version loads up and shows us a modern, responsive coin identification app with camera capture and AI-powered recognition built with React and Express. Now this first version looks pretty promising, so let's go ahead and click Approve Plan and Start. You can see the visual preview of the app taking shape. Replit wants to get the Open API key for coin identification, but we're going to go ahead and switch things up. Instead, I'm going to go with the Gemini API because it tends to give more accurate image identification. So I'm going to say I want to use the Gemini API to get accurate image identification. To get the API key, we'll click the link and sign in with our Google account. Then we'll click Get API Key, followed by the Create API Key button. We'll copy that key and paste it back into Replit, then click Continue. Now that the app's all set up and connected to the Gemini API, it's time to see how well it actually performs. Because after all, building the layout is one thing, but the real test is whether it can actually recognize a coin from just a photo. So I'm going to upload a photo of a coin from my device, and the app starts analyzing it right away. And here's the result. It displays the name of the coin with about 90% accuracy, along with some key details and even an estimated market value. Great. Now let's try the second option, using the device camera. I'm going to allow the app to access my camera, then try to take a photo. But here's the problem. The camera feature isn't really working yet. It doesn't respond when I try to capture an image. So to fix that, I'm simply going to go back to Replit and I'm going to enter this prompt. Allow users to take photos or upload an image of coins to get instant identification. Now, if I click on Take Photo, the camera opens up as expected, and I'm now able to capture a coin image, and the app instantly starts analyzing the object. After getting the camera working and the image recognition in place, the next thing to check is the kind of information the app actually delivers after each scan. So every time I scan or search for a coin, the app pulls up detailed data from its internal database. It includes the country of origin, the coin's face value or denomination, the year it was minted, and the metal composition. There's also a short historical background, which is pretty cool and gives us a bit of context about the coin's origin or usage. Alongside that information, the app shows an estimated current market value and rarity indicator, which is especially useful for collectors to try to gauge how common or valuable a particular coin might be. And so far, everything looks complete and well organized. Each scan gives a full snapshot of the coin's profile in just a few seconds. So at this point, we want users to actually be able to save the coins they've identified. Now, it's one thing to get accurate identification, but collectors need a way to organize and keep track of their finds. So we're going to add a collection management feature that lets our users save, organize, and personalize the coins they've identified so far. And to do that, I'm going to ask the AI to add a collection management feature. Now, the idea is to let users save, organize, and personalize the coins they've identified. Each saved coin should keep the image and all the information from denomination and metal composition to the rarity indicator and market value. We also want a clean dashboard view with the option to browse coins in either a list or a grid layout. Let's go ahead and test all of this out by identifying a coin and then trying to save it to the collection. But there's a problem here. The identified coin doesn't actually save. The feature isn't working as expected, so all we have to do is just go back to Replit and be more specific about what should happen when users save a coin. So here, I'm going to go ahead and go back into Replit and tell the AI when users click this button, it should save the coin similar to coin identification, including country of origin, denomination or face value, years minted, metal composition, and a brief historical background. It should also include an estimated current market value and a rarity indicator. Alright, so after that update, the app changes how the save feature works. So now when users click Save to Collection, it instantly saves a coin and redirects them to the collection page. No extra dialogue or confirmations. And from there, our users can click on any saved coin to view all the details in just one place, like in the original scan. Alright, so far so good. Our app is working well for basic coin identification and collection management, but let's go ahead and take things a step further. We want to add premium features that serious collectors would find valuable. And to make this happen, we're going to integrate Stripe for subscription payments. And we're going to tell the AI that we want to add Stripe integration so that our users can access premium features. And we'll ask for things like detailed market value insights, professional rarity assessments, expert appraisals, and the ability to export and back up their full collection. We also want a clear Go Premium button that takes our users through the Stripe checkout flow for a monthly subscription. And after they successfully pay, we want their account marked as premium so that all of the gated features unlock for them. The premium tools and the exclusive content should only show up once payment is verified. So to get this working, I need to enter the Stripe secret key and the public key, and I'll click the link to open the API keys under the Developers tab in my Stripe dashboard, and I'm going to copy these keys and then paste them back into Replit. Then I'll click Continue. So let's go ahead and test the flow by uploading a coin image and saving it to the collection. I'll try to unlock detailed market trends, expert rarity assessment, and professional appraisal insights. So I'm going to click here on the upgrade to premium button, but an error shows up, and that means I need to go back into Replit and send the error message to get it fixed, and that's okay because it's an easy fix. And after the fix, let's go ahead and try upgrading to premium again. I'll enter the payment details and complete the transaction. The payment this time goes through successfully, but there's no premium badge showing up to indicate that I've upgraded my app user status. So we need to fix this, and I'm going to go back into Replit and enter, after successful payment, mark the user's account or session as premium and unlock all gated features. Premium only features should include enhanced coin value tracking, access to rare coin insights, and the ability to connect with expert numismatists. And perfect, the premium badge appears and all of the premium features are now unlocked. Now that we've got our coin identification app working pretty smoothly, let's go ahead and create some promotional content to get people excited about it. So we're going to use AI-generated video ads, which is pretty cool because we can create professional-looking content without needing a whole production team. Now, I added a link in the description below, so you can go ahead and check out this tool. Now, this video is sponsored by Veed. They gave me early access to their new AI UGC feature to try it out, and I'm gonna go ahead and give you my honest review on it. All right, so let's go ahead and open up the browser and head on over to veed.io. And once you're there, go to the Gen AI Studio and type in this prompt. Create a UGC video about a coin identifier app. All right, so the system works its magic and generates a video ad for us. And it's pretty impressive how quickly that happens, right? So let's go ahead and click the play button to preview what we've got so far. And you'll probably notice that the lip sync isn't quite perfect. It looks a little bit off. But don't worry about that just yet because there is a notification here letting us know that this will be polished after exporting. So let's go ahead and see how that turns out. And there's this handy icon we can click that opens up a bunch of editing options. We can easily replace media, we can change the angle of the creator, and toggle to turn off the avatar completely if we wanted. The customization options are pretty extensive. We can edit or add text and shots, we can create images with AI image generation, we can change the creator entirely, and even switch up the languages. There are actually 100 languages available plus different accents in English. So for this example, I'm gonna go ahead and choose English UK. And we can even remove the creator completely and just use voice only. We can select different background music that's all copyright free, and we can add subtitles to make it more accessible. Now, once you're happy with all of the adjustments, we can just click the Done button at the top right, and it will start exporting the video. Now, the great thing is that after export, we can edit the entire video right away in Veed. We can move the subtitles around, we can add animations to make things more dynamic, and most importantly, add actual images of our app to make the ad more authentic and compelling. Sometimes you might want more control over the final product, or maybe you want just the clean footage of the AI avatar so that you can build your own custom ad around it. And here's how we can do that. So let's go back to the Gen AI Studio and tell our idea again in these words. Create a UGC video about a coin identifier app. And this time we're going to click on media and then click on show avatar. We'll do this for each section, and if we need to extend our script, we can add another row and click on show avatar again to get more footage. Next, we'll click on done to export, and don't worry about the background music and subtitles right now. We can always change all of that in the next step. Now, what's good about this approach is that we can edit the entire video ourselves and then really customize it. We're going to edit this AI UGC video into a real ad with shots of our own app that we just created. So let's start by importing videos that match some parts of the script. And if we don't like the background music that was automatically added, we can always remove it completely. Now, to add a new one, we'll go to audio to change the background music. There are over 100 songs to choose from, from here. And since we have the AI avatar, we do want to remove the background so that we can only see the person themselves. We're going to add our own images and videos in the background, so it's really important to remove the background of the avatar first. We can click on the audio and the timeline to adjust settings like the volume of the sound to get everything just balanced perfectly. Now, if we want to change the subtitles, we'll simply go to Subtitles and click on Auto Subtitle in English. And from there, we can make changes to the font and all the settings to match our brand. And to make sure everything is aligned perfectly, we can turn on the TikTok overlay, which helps with positioning on the screen. Also, if you really want to bring this to the next level, we can actually dub our content to reach way more people in different markets. So we'll go to the top and click on the AI agent. And let's say we want to dub our audio to German. We'll go ahead and tell it that and then click continue. Now this AI agent is actually very useful for other ideas we might have too. And with this feature, we can take over the market in Germany as well. And there you have it. We've built a complete coin identification app from scratch and created professional marketing content to promote it. And everything we built today can be adapted for other niches too. So don't let this momentum stop here. Pick a niche you're really passionate about, follow this exact process, and then just start building. And if this helped you out, please do hit that like button and let me know in the comments below what app you're planning to build next. Subscribe, of course, if you want to see more tutorials like this, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our latest builds. I'll see you in the next one, and thanks for watching.